Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Just a quick one today. Just going to go over a couple of end of year surprises as I've gone around sort of tidying up some of the garden beds here. Fortunately, we've got a bit of a rainier day today here in the UK, but it gives me a good opportunity to get out, really assess what needs to be done before winter, but also, of course, kind of give it a tidy up as it's starting to slow down now growth-wise. So, you know, theoretically, we shouldn't have too much more on the weeds side coming up this end of the year now. Just panning over here, guys, one area I just wanted to give you a quick show on is the Dicksonia Antarctica tree fern that we've got here. Now this went in May this year. Now up until today it has been staked, and I had lots of support around it here. I've finally been able to remove the supports, as it has now put roots down in the ground. Seems fairly stable and solid now, so just really pleased that has in just 5 months actually put down a decent amount of root, and making it very sturdy now. So again, we can actually have a look at it in its kind of true form, just down at the bottom here, guys, just to show. There's one of the original roots that went in, and you can now just see down in here, it almost looks like a bit of matting, and underneath here, you can just see, again, if I can get that straight, those are the roots that are coming out as well. So really done well this year, really pleased with this, and just again happy that I can kind of take off the supports now and you know, appreciate it for what it is. Another one that I discovered while tidying up here, just coming around to the Musa sycamensis. So this is our Darjeeling or Bengal banana. When cleaning this out, I've actually discovered that there are, if I can just get in here, 2 pops around the base, which is really quite encouraging to see that it is starting to pop out, as I really like this to kind of clump out here in the middle of the center bed. Now you can just see as I kind of step back a bit, you know, the bed's kind of filling out quite nicely here. Good little overview, and again, you know, nice to see the bananas starting to really take off. Now, of course, guys, I think for many of us tropical gardeners, this is the time of year when things do really start to, you know, go down towards fall. You're going to get browning on your leaves, things like this, which is all normal for this time of year. For example, the Xanthodecia here, you can see is starting to really yellow off. It has got a few new ones coming up, you can just see at the bottom here, but again, you know, this is kind of winding down for the year now. Just panning over here, guys, you can just have a look, and sorry about all the mess and weeds, we're still kind of going around. The hops now, again, kind of going that golden brown, so again, kind of getting to the point where it will start to lose its leaves as we get the colder nights and things like that. So just following around here, guys, just lastly, another one, and again, apologies on the mess here, guys, but moving on down, just down to the bed here, again, we've also got a lot of new pups coming out from the Canna Pretoria, which again was a nice surprise to see. Hopefully this clump will really sort of take off in the following years here. One thing to point out too, guys, if you do have canna lilies, just at the top here, if I can just bring it in and show you, get it to zoom. Right there, guys, that is going to be one of your seed pods. So if you are noticing this kind of browning clumping at the top where it's already flowered, those will dry out and produce seed if it's in there. So what you can do is wait until it's completely sort of browned and very solid and kind of crunchy. That's when you can pluck that off, and you should be able to break open the little bulb bit you can see here. Barely see, and that should have seeds in it ready to be germinated and planted for next year. So with that said, guys, if you do have any cannas and things like that, now's the time of year really to check and look and see if you've got any seed, as that may be an easy way for free plants for next year. Now, of course, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the update, and we'll see you on the next one.